Season 1 Episode 11. Today's episode is Lou Gets Grounded on Bonfire Night Fireworks, November 5th, 2021. Hey old friend. Tonight, we are going to see the Bonfire Night Fireworks at Knowle Golf Course, so I will expect you on your best behavior.
Yes, Ox! I am going to see the fireworks at Knowle Golf Course.
That's good old friend of mine. The fireworks is starting in half an hour. Let's get into our van. When they arrived at the Knowle Golf Course to see the Bonfire Night Fireworks. This is a nice place, wasn't it, Ox? You said it, Babo. I really understanding what the November 5th. I am really exciting here. Yeah, I agree with you too. I really enjoyed the fireworks.
Ox?
What is it, old friend?
When are the fireworks starting?
At 7 p.m., which is the best time of the fireworks in the UK.
I really like to see the fireworks, Lou.
So the best thing to do is, we are watching the fireworks we'll see together like at the Grand Pier before in Weston-super-Mare. Are you exciting, my friends?
All best.
At 7 p.m., the fireworks is starting.
Look, the fireworks is starting.
Yes, it does, Lou.
Whoa, that one is loud.
It's always reminded me about self this year, November 5th, 1605. Do you remember?
How can I get that? I am really like to see the fireworks is green, which is my body color.
Yes, it is. We will like to see the most color of the fireworks like purple, like my hair.
I really understand. Yes, like Mandy's hair, but I'm gonna call because it was keep an eye on me.
I am really would like to ask. I am happy.
I am happy too.
Isn't it beautiful, Babo?
Yes it is, Wage. They are really like to see the Bonfire Night firework display this year.
Are they fireworks are nice?
You sure is, Wage. I would like to be my friend for a date.
Wow. 416 years. They after so long, we would like to go anywhere sometime.
Hey Wage, give me some sugar.
That's just a great man guy.
So, you are not interested to see the Bonfire Night fireworks anymore?
Actually, I think my mom and dad would take me to see red fireworks before.
What do you mean?
Let me show you. Look at me.
Whoa. I see a red fireworks. I had never seen the red fireworks before. You said it, Lou. I think I should get over here right now, which is Ox said it the other episodes. That's right, Ugly Dog. How long until the fireworks ends? Fair enough. Old friend. Why didn't like to see the fireworks?
Because I hate fireworks.
Oh my god! Old friend. I can't believe you hate fireworks at Knowle Golf Course. That's it. You're grounded until Bonfire Night Fireworks 2022. Go to your room right now.
Wah.
See you for my next episode.